It's raining.
It's raining.
You got umbrellas.
Do you want to side?
Disney Parks umbrellas.
If I'm not going to use it right now.
Oh.
This is like perfect umbrella weather.
Woo! Got my umbrella. Which one's mine?
Doesn't matter. They're all the same.
No, I want my umbrella. I already named
Daddy, where are we
Okay,
going?
This one.
I already
We're going to
named it.
Epcot.
What?
He named his umbrella.
Got the Crocs.
He does have Crocs.
My Crocs too.
We got umbrellas.
They bought Crocs because they didn't want their shoes to get ruined. Okay, so we made it to Epcot. The rain is like good. It's obviously rain, like it's annoying, but it's not like downpouring. It's just raining, so it's manageable. But we're heading to Guardians right now because we were boarding group number 7, and we were called right when the park opened. And the park opened like 15 minutes ago. So we're heading over there now. That's our first thing, and then we'll decide where we're going from there. We're in the park. In the rain. Epcot weather is never normal when we're here. Never just a nice sunny day, ever.
This is why my shoes look like water. They're called the way of the water.
We're getting Crocs for me and Blake. Blake's shoes are getting wet. My shoes are fine, but
My shoes,
I got Christmas Crocs.
my shoes are dying slowly. My socks are
Does
so...
anybody have to go to the bathroom?
No.
No.
I'm Irani Rayal, commander of the Nova Corps.
We're in test track now because we don't know how the weather's gonna look. But I did drag my mother on the ground going into Guardian. It was really funny. She's okay. She was a little overexcited.
Big
I don't know.
hurry.
You gotta go.
You really don't have to though. Like you can just, you'll get out of the way.
Fast walk.
Yes.
I did speak.
It's like scored like
It's
9
cold.
points in one game.
It's not cold.
And my team is winning by like 11.
But it's an early day.
Yeah. We're eating.
Please remain seated in your boat at all times.
Remain seated in your boat. That one lady didn't listen. Yay.
Cinturón de seguridad abrochado durante el vuelo y vigilen a los niños. Esperamos que disfruten su vuelo.
Yeah, he doesn't reach.
Going over California.
That was not 25 minutes. That was like 10. That was funny though. But I got my Crocs on. Oh, I'm gonna take mine off.
The one time I told it.
I'm so excited. Here we go. Look at my feet, people.
Sweet transition.
Put your feet down.
It's a pirate ship.
It is.
Next one.
I hate the jump cuts.
Who is this?
It's Figment!
Figment? I thought I told you not to interfere.
But you've got it wrong, Doc. It's not about listening with your ears. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely lost my train of thought.
No, you haven't. It's over here! All aboard! Woo-hoo! Next stop, imagination. For every sound your ears are hearing, 1,000 thoughts can...
Oh.
No, Mickey. I'm just a voice.
I don't know, that's weird. Is it gonna like reset? Keeping the phone out. So, how was everyone's day?
Text your parents that we are stuck.
Okay.
And they turn the lights off.
They turn the lights off. This is so weird. Are we gonna get, it's been a bit, but we're stuck on Runaway Railway right now. It's great. So hopefully we'll get going soon, but I don't know. Got the front row. I just kind of stopped vlogging. We went on Runaway Railway again, and I actually got through it. But it's raining a lot, so I haven't been able to vlog. What? No, I'm good right here.
I need help.
I haven't been able to vlog just because of holding on an umbrella and just going one place to the next. So, sorry about that, but I'm just gonna end it here. I'm sorry this was such a short video, but I honestly could not video. So, yeah, I'm hiding under my umbrella right now though. So, we're waiting for the bus, but I will see you guys tomorrow.